Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing our series with the operator module. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject upon another. And the operator module, we've kind of grouped these together, and we do several at a time. That's pretty atypical, but I think these all go together. And those videos, if we broke them down into each individual function, I think it'd be a little too short. So today we are going to be looking at the ordering functions and the equality functions. So let's just go ahead and get after it. And also one important add-on, we've been getting a lot more subscribers and a lot more people watching, so make sure you're staying tuned until the end. There's over 800 videos. Make sure you're checking out those videos that are being suggested, because there's a chance you may not have seen those before. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. And if I'm blinking, I'm operator. If I'm squinting, I'm doing this at a different time, and I've moved my light, so I'm not quite used to this setup. So hopefully it is not making me appear too different. So all right, import operator as OP. So we're going to look at ordering. So less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and so on. Let's look at it. OP. All right, so here we are. Less than, equal to. All right. Less than. So let's take a peek. Help on op.lt. Okay, same as, we need to put A, 1, B. We'll just stay consistent with our examples that we've done before. So op.lt A, B. True, because as it's saying, A less than B. And then op AB, false. So then we have greater than or equal to. Let's do that. Nope, let's do LE. LE. Let's do help on op.le. All right, so less than, equal to. AB, true. And then, so now we need to do greater than or equal to. BA. False. No, it's supposed to be greater than or equal to. Sorry guys, I knew that kind of threw me off. BA. There we go. All right, so we did less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So those are all of our ordering. So now let's take a look at the equality. It's help op.eq, same as our double equal signs, our test for equality. So op.eq, if I can type, eq, A, B, false of course, and then getting ahead of myself, op, so not equal to any. So then op.ne A B. Boom, true, because they're not equal to each other. Let's make sure. That's all 6, less than, greater than, and greater than or equal, less than or equal. All right, that was all 6 that I wanted to cover today. So please make sure you're staying tuned till the end. Make sure you're subscribing, and do me a favor, if this kind of videos you like, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And most important, if you know somebody, if you're in class right now, if you know somebody who's trying to get Python down, please sure you're sharing this with them, because I'm sure there is something that they can get out of this, and I've had a tremendous amount of shares, wonderful comments, tremendous support. The group is growing over on Discord, so thank you for that. I'm getting in the groove of posting more over there. All of these mediums are new to me, but please reach out if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. And as always, guys, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.